37 CFR Frequency Charts. The 37 CFR Frequency Charts show a ranking estimate for the most likely to be tested rules. We get these estimates based on current client feedback from our exit surveys. The charts are based on a 5-star ranking system. Here in this screen capture, you can see the 1-star 37 CFR rules. Clicking on the links will take you to the USPTO website where you can read the full rule. It's a really good idea to become familiar with the tested rules, especially the 4- and 5-star rules. At a minimum, you will want to learn the general idea behind them. Make sure you take advantage of this tool by spending a little extra time learning the most likely to be tested rules. That's it for this walkthrough. Be sure to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel while you're here. Then check out the tools and programs we offer on patenteducationseries.com. Pass the Patent Bar exam and get started on your career in patent law.